small intestine. There is a jejunum and ileum, and here this is the jejunum end, because there is a it is thick, because the aggregation of the there is a circular fold, and this is the ileum, it is thin, and the jejunum will be the lumbar 1 2 lumbar 2 border 1.2 centimeter left, and the ileum in the right iliac fossa, and there is a presence of translucent window. This is the translucent window because the fat are distributed among the root
towards the root,
and in the jejunum there is a no translucent window, and the vasa recta has 3 to 4 arcade, and in the jejunum there is a vasa recta has 1 to 2 arcade. And there is a superior mesenteric artery.